Looking for the best mini drones of 2024? Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves capturing breathtaking moments from above, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best mini drones that are taking flight this year. These compact drones pack serious power, performance, and technology into their small frames. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines compact drone technology, offering professional-level performance in a lightweight package. Weighing under 249 grams, this portable drone is perfect for travelers, hobbyists, and professionals alike, as it doesn't require registration in many countries. The Mini 4 Pro features an impressive 48MP camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, capable of shooting 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. This ensures stunning clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. With DJI's advanced OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, you can enjoy a stable video feed up to 12 kilometers away, making long-range shots a breeze. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses sensors on all sides to help navigate complex environments safely. Whether flying through dense forests or cityscapes, the Mini 4 Pro handles it effortlessly. With up to 34 minutes of flight time, intelligent flight modes like Active Track and Master Shots, and a user-friendly app, the DJI Mini 4 Pro makes capturing cinematic aerial footage easier than ever. Compact, powerful, and reliable, this drone is a must-have for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact and lightweight drone that offers powerful features for both beginners and enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it falls below many drone registration requirements, making it convenient for travel and spontaneous aerial photography. One of its key features is the 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures high-quality 4K HDR video and 12-megapixel stills. Its camera delivers excellent detail even in low-light conditions, thanks to its dual native ISO and large aperture. The 4x digital zoom enhances versatility, allowing you to get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality. The DJI Mini 3 boasts an impressive flight time of up to 38 minutes on a single charge, enabling longer and more relaxed flying sessions. Its intelligent features, including quick shots, make creating cinematic footage easy with pre-programmed flight modes like Drone, Circle, and Helix. The true vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media content, capturing vertical videos and photos effortlessly. With its wind resistance of up to 10.7 meters per second and a robust transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, the Mini 3 performs well in various environments. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent choice for users seeking a compact, feature-rich drone for creative aerial content. Number 3. The BetaFPV Cetus Pro is an ideal drone for beginners looking to enter the world of FPV, first-person view, flying. With a durable, lightweight design, it is built to withstand crashes, making it a reliable choice for those new to FPV drones. One of the standout features of the Cetus Pro is its beginner-friendly modes. The drone offers 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, acro, allowing users to gradually progress from stable, easy flying to more advanced maneuvers as their skills improve. This flexibility makes the Cetus Pro an excellent training drone. Equipped with an optical flow sensor, the Cetus Pro ensures smooth hovering and stable indoor flight, even in tight spaces. Its self-protection mode, which automatically disarms the drone after a crash, adds an extra layer of safety for both the pilot and the drone itself. The FPV goggles included with the Cetus Pro deliver a clear, immersive experience, letting you see what the drone sees in real time. Additionally, the drone's 1S battery provides decent flight time, allowing for longer practice sessions. In summary, the BetaFPV Cetus Pro offers an exceptional entry point into FPV flying, combining durability, ease of use, and the ability to grow with the pilot's skill level. Number 4. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact and budget-friendly drone that brings impressive aerial capabilities to beginners and casual users. Weighing under 249 grams, it's ultralight and easy to carry, making it ideal for spontaneous outdoor adventures. Its lightweight build also exempts it from drone registration in many countries. Equipped with a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 2 SE captures stunning 2.7K video and 12MP photos. Its 4x digital zoom adds flexibility, enabling close-up shots without having to fly too close to the subject. Despite its small size, the camera delivers vibrant and sharp visuals, perfect for both hobbyists and social media content creators. The drone's 31-minute flight time on a single charge offers ample duration for exploration and photography. Additionally, the Mini 2 SE's powerful motors provide wind resistance up to 37.8 km per hour, allowing for stable footage even in breezy conditions. With intelligent flight modes like quick shots, the Mini 2 SE helps users easily create cinematic shots, including drone, helix, and rocket modes. Its easy-to-use controls and reliable connection over a 10 km range make flying intuitive and enjoyable. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a great entry-level drone, offering excellent performance in a small, affordable package. Number 5. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight, budget-friendly drone designed for beginners and hobbyists seeking a balance of portability and high-performance features. Weighing just 249 grams, it's easy to carry and doesn't require registration in many regions, making it an ideal travel companion for aerial photography. Equipped with a 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, the Atom SE captures 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12MP stills, offering excellent image quality for its price range. The camera is stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization (EIS), ensuring smooth footage even during dynamic flights. Its 4x digital zoom feature enhances versatility by allowing you to get closer to your subject without physically moving the drone. The drone boasts an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge, providing plenty of time for exploration and capturing stunning shots. It also has GPS-assisted flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle, making it easier for users to shoot cinematic videos with minimal effort. With a maximum control range of up to 4 kilometers, the Potensic Atom SE ensures a stable connection and smooth flight experience over long distances. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those looking for a compact drone that offers solid performance without breaking the bank.